Okay, good morning, boys and girls. It is Friday. Hooray for Friday. It's Friday. We are doing second grade math. It is April 3rd, 2020. Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Second grade math. Open to page 574. So I'm videoing on YouTube also, and there's going to be YouTube on Microsoft Teams. And the homework assignment for math is going to be in Microsoft Team and in Math Pearson Realize. So it's pearsonrealize.com, and you sign in and you go to your class, and all your assignments are going to be in there, and you do all of your homework in there. You can see the whole textbook, and you see additional practice. You see everything in there. That's the whole curriculum. When you open that up, you do the math homework right on the computer, right in on that site, and then at the end of the homework it says send to teacher. You press that, and the work will come to me, and it will tell me whether you completed your math assignments or not. So make sure when you go into math, you do your math in Math Pearson, pearsonrealize.com, and then you send the homework to the teacher, and then I will get a list of the kids that did it and didn't do it. Good. I know. Okay, so Emily did it, Sean did it, Rebecca did it. If you have a problem with that, guys, ask your friends how to do that, because it's really easy. Page 574. Well, my marker is not writing. Page 574, second grade math. Everyone open to page 574? Did everyone find a cube in their house? Because a cube is, where's my attendance? I don't have William or Tanisha or Anna, right? I don't have William, Taranisha, or Anna. If anyone shows up, let me know. Yes, okay. So, I know Rebecca found a cube. This is my cube. A tissue box, a small tissue box, is a cube. The long tissue boxes are rectangles, the short ones are cubes. This is a cube. What makes it a cube? It's got 6 flat sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided cube. This is a cube. It is 3-dimensional. It's not flat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided cube. So here's my cube. And turn to page 574. Page 574 says, get my glasses. A cube is a solid figure with 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So let's look at our cube. This is the top of page 574. So we already counted the 6 equal faces. This is the face. This is a face. We already counted the 6 equal faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal faces. The point is the vertice. Let's see, how many vertices did it say it has? 8 vertices. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 8 points. 6 flat sides, 8 points. Now it has 12 edges. The edge is the side. So let's count up the edges. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's got 12 edges. 1, 2, look. Ready? Count your edges. This is the edge, a side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. See 4. Then it's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's got 6 flat sides, 8 points, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. So an edge is a side. The vertices are the points, and there are 6 flat, they're called faces. 6 solid figure with 6 equal faces, with 6 flat faces equal. 6 flat equal faces. So this is the face. When you look at somebody, you see their face. This is the face. The point is the vertice, and the side, the edge is the getting mixed up. Okay, face. When you look at the face of something, this is the face. This is the vertice, and the edge is the side. Right. This is the edge, the face, the flat face, the flat face, the vertice is the point, the edge is the side. Side, face, vertice. So, just get familiar with those terms and those words because we're going to be using them a lot. You're going to have to know what is the edge, what is the vertice, and what is the face. So we only have 6 faces on a cube, but we have, I'm going to put it on here, we have 6 faces, 6 equal faces. We have 12 edges or sides, and we have 8 vertices or points. Equal and flat faces. Okay, so a cube has 6 flat equal faces. It has 12 edges or sides, and it has 8 points or vertices. That's why I wanted to go over this slower with you guys, so that you can memorize what these are. Flat face, the vertice is the point, the edge is the side. Okay. Let's go on. Repeat it again? Yeah. Okay, here. A cube has 6 equal flat faces. The flat face, when you see the cube, the face, you have 6 of those. We counted them. We have 12 edges. That's the side. This side, this side, the sides. There are 12 sides, and there are 8 vertices, the points. So, you guys need to remember those names. Ready? So everyone say flat face. 6 flat faces. Everyone say 12 edges. Edge is a side. An edge is the side. It's the line. This edge, this edge, this edge, this edge. When you look at a flat figure like this is the face. This is the edge. These are the vertices. The points are the vertices. So we got flat face, we got edges, and we have vertices. Got it? And it's in the chat. Flat face, the edge is the side, and the vertices are the points. Got it? Okay. It's also, Rebecca, it's also on the top of page 574. It says, a cube is a solid figure with 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Each face is a square with 4 equal edges and 4 right angles. So each face, when you look at a flat face, just show them what happened. All right, I'll invite you in 1 second. How did Deshaun get kicked out?
Because Tanisha was calling.
Oh, okay. I'm calling, Tanisha, I'm calling you now.
She was calling me.
Yes.
Tanisha told me for you to call her.
Okay. Don't go out of the meeting though. Just type it in the chat, Deshaun, okay? Don't leave the meeting. Whatever you have to tell me, just type it. Type it in the chat. Hi, Tanisha. Tanisha, we're on page. Okay. Shh. We're all here. Tanisha. Where's Anne? Anne is not here. Okay. Who's calling? Okay. Let's go back to page 574. Tanisha, look in the chat. Look in the chat box.
574 this time?
Yes, go to 574. Look in the, go to the chat box and you'll see what we just did.
Okay, I'm on 574.
Okay, good. We're doing cubes. Hi. Do you have a tissue box or is a cube? Do you have a small tissue box?
I don't think so. We don't have it here.
Okay. Just look at the screen then, Tanisha. I'm going to talk about the cube and the sides and everything, okay?
Okay.
Can you open the chat box so you can see what we did? Okay, so we have to move on. This is a cube. Tanisha, a cube has 6 flat sides. Look at the top of page 574. Okay? We're doing a cube. We're going to do a solid cube and then we're going to do a flat cube. It's really a flat square. When it's flat, it's not a cube. But, so each face is a square with 4 equal edges and 4 right angles. Look at the top of page 574. I know it's confusing. When it's 3-dimensional, it's a cube. When we have just a flat square, then it's not three-dimensional. Then we don't have all those sides and everything. So page 574, we have 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Each face is a square. When we look at a square, we see 4 edges and 4 right angles. Remember we said the right angle went like this and this? A square has 4 of those on the inside. 4 right angles. So Tanisha, just to review with you, this is a cube. It's got 6 flat faces. It's got 6, this is the face, 6 flat equal faces. It's got 8 points of the vertices. It's got 8 vertices, and it has 12 edges. This is an edge. So when we do an edge, this is the edge. When you look at a flat square like this, when you look at a flat square, not a cube, well, it can be a cube, but when you look at the flat part of this, you have 4 edges, which are the sides. You have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 edges and 4 right angles. You have 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 4 right angles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the corners there is your angle. This and that makes your right angle. So you have 4 edges and 4 right angles. So you guys just have to memorize what those meanings are. Edge, vertex, you just have to remember them. So on the top of page 574 it says these are cubes. The red and the blue cubes on the top of page 574, those are cubes. The ones underneath those are not cubes. What? Who? Who? Oh, okay. William. Deshaun, why are you out of the meeting? Deshaun, you left us? William. Calling William. Calling Deshaun. Alright guys, we gotta finish up, okay? We got 10 minutes. Let's see what we can get done. Hi, William. And I think we're just missing Anna now. Okay, ready? Going into my chat screen. We are doing cubes. We are still on page 574. Everybody read the top of page 574. We're talking about cubes, flat squares, and cubes. Guys, do not call Miss Carrie. Do not call Miss Carrie. Stay in math until I end math. Math is not over for another 10 minutes. Math ends at 9:15. Okay? Do not call Miss Carrie, and she has to invite you into the class. You cannot call her and get into the class. You have to wait for her to call you. Okay? She says second graders are calling her right now. Do not call her. So, cubes. Now, the red and the blue cubes, those are cubes. These are not cubes. The green and the yellow, those are not cubes. You know why? Because a cube is three-dimensional. This is a cube. A flat square is a flat square. This is a cube. It's three-dimensional. You can pick it up. You can hold it in your hand. You can use dot paper to draw a cube. The dashed lines show the edges that you can't see when you look at the side of a cube. Trace around each face. All right. The bottom of page 574. Convince me. What solid figure has 6 equal faces? In the convince me box. What is the answer? What solid figure has 6 equal faces? A cube. What is the shape of each face? Each face is called a square. A square is flat. A cube is three-dimensional. We're on the convince me. So the convince me, solid figure that has 6 equal faces is a cube. What is the shape of each face? A square. All right, Tanisha, number 1, what's your answer? What is your answer for number 1? Everyone type it in.
Cube.
Type it in the chat. Yes, the number 1, the green cube, and which other one?
Square.
What color? Number 1, the cubes that have 6 equal square faces are the green cube and the red cube. We are doing this. These are cubes. These are not cubes. The cubes are the green one and the red one. Type in your answer, the cubes. Yes, the green one and the red one. Number 2, use the dot paper to draw a cube. You can use the cube you traced as an example. Okay, it's showing you that you can draw a cube. Where is it? Can you see that? All right, it's showing you that you can draw a cube using the dot paper. Okay. Just remember that the cube is the three-dimensional one and the square is flat. Okie dokies. Turn the page. Page 575. We have to end in 2 minutes, so let's do page 575 and 576. So did everyone finish page 575 and 576? Okay, page 575 and 576. Let's do page 575. 575 says, decide if the shape is a cube, then draw a line from each shape to the cube or not a cube. So number 3 says cube or not a cube. The first one, the orange figure, that is not a cube. The second blue figure, that is a cube. The next figure is a triangle, that is not a cube. And then the next figure is, the green one is a cube, so draw a line to the cube. Got it? It looks like that. Number 4, trace the cube shown below. How many faces can you see? So, it's not asking you how many faces does a cube have, it's asking you how many faces do you see. And I only see 1, 2, 3 faces. I only see 3 faces, 1, 2, 3. A cube has how many faces? A cube has 6 faces. I only see 3 in this picture, 3 faces. Number 5. Algebra. Use what you know about cubes to write an equation and solve each problem. How many vertices do these 2 cubes have in all? So Emily Yanez, in all. That means you're going to be adding up the vertices. How many vertices did we say a cube has? Remember, the vertices are the points. So, how many vertices do you see?
7.
No, you missed one.
8.
Yes. There are 8 vertices in each cube. So you're going to do 8 plus 8. What does 8 plus 8 equal? 8 plus 8 equals 16. There are 8 vertices. So number 5 is 8 plus 8 equals 16. There are 8 vertices, there are 8 points on a cube. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Number 6, how many faces do these cubes have in all? Emily, gotta mute. How many? Number 5 is 8 plus 8 equals 16. Emily, Yanis, you have to mute your microphone. I hear noise. So the next one, number 6. How many faces do these 2 cubes have in all? How many faces did we say was on a cube? How many faces? 6. Number 6 is 6 plus 6 equals, thank you, Casey. 6 plus 6 equals what? There are 6 sides on each cube. So we're going to add up 2 cubes. 6 plus 6 equals 12 faces. 6 plus 6 equals 12. On page 575, here is number 5 and 6. Okay, we're gonna have to stop here. I want you guys just to go over these words and get really familiar with edge and vertice and cubes, and really, know what it is when we start on Monday. So we're gonna have to go. You guys do 576 for homework and the additional practice, okay? And I'm gonna put my cube up here. And you guys need to go to language arts. So I'm gonna sign off here.